This could be the very origin of life on planet Earth. Something is happening in the Arctic that can never be undone. The Arctic isn't just melting, it's becoming a worldwide target. Greedy corporations and governments are getting ready to exploit untouched habitats. So if we don't act now, we will lose a fascinating world that we don't even fully understand yet. This is exactly why we do take action now, by going to a place that hardly any human being has ever seen before, 3,000 meters deep into the Arctic Ocean. We are exploring the home of octopods, ancient sponges, and many other vulnerable species, including potentially undiscovered ones. Our specialized deep-sea robot is diving down to biodiversity hotspots like seamounts and enigmatic hydrothermal vents that could be the very origin of life on our planet. Help us raise awareness for this habitat that desperately needs protection. Please sign our petition.